Setting up your Mint Mobile service involves choosing between a physical SIM card and a digital eSIM. If your phone supports eSIM, it's generally faster and recommended. For eSIM, purchase a plan and receive a QR code in the Mint Mobile app. Scan this code to download your profile directly to your phone. Activation typically takes 1 to 2 hours. If your phone isn't eSIM compatible, Mint Mobile will send you a physical SIM card. Insert the SIM into your phone's SIM slot after purchasing your plan. Activation takes up to 3 hours. Ensure your phone is compatible with Mint Mobile's network before starting. Verify compatibility via Mint Mobile's website. Transferring your existing phone number to Mint Mobile is streamlined through their app. During the activation process, you'll be prompted to provide information about your previous carrier, including your account number and PIN. Mint Mobile automates the transfer process, and recent regulations mandate completion within 24 hours, though Mint Mobile typically achieves this in under 12 hours. You can track the transfer status in the app. Make sure to keep your old service active until the transfer is complete to avoid any interruption in service. After the number is successfully transferred, your Mint Mobile service will be active with your existing number.